Hey guys, so I've been asked to do a video on what I eat in a day on carnivore diet. This is end of my 6th week now. Everything obviously always varies and like I just follow my hunger in my body. But I'm gonna show you, I'm making some steak right now. I'm starving. And that's the thing, like I just kind of, when I get really hungry, I'm like, okay, I need to eat. That's my sign. I need to go and eat. And all the dishes I usually, especially when I'm at home, I use Instant Pot. So I use air fryer, or like if I'm making something slow cooked or pressure cooked, then I do prepare in advance. But like right now, I have a steak, New York steak, and I'll show you. And I'm just gonna air fry it for about 8 minutes because I want it medium rare. So here it is. It's grass-fed, very fatty, which is perfect. I'm just defrosting it, like as in, you know, it's a good idea to leave your steak actually in a room temperature for 30 minutes before cooking it. That way it's gonna, muscles are gonna relax and it'll be a bit better. But yeah, you see good ratio of the fat. So pretty big steak actually. This one is a huge one. I'm just placing it into my Instant Pot. I'm gonna season with a bit of salt, and that's pretty much it. Just to show you, this is my freezer. So I keep everything in the freezer. And then so the next day, so at night, I usually take something out. For example, do I fancy? I usually ask myself, what do I want to eat? And I've got like ribs here, steaks, chicken, lamb, and I actually got some oxtail, which I'm very excited about. Liver, I haven't had liver in a while. I should probably have some. And yeah, just defrost the night before. So I'm probably gonna, oh, actually, no, I'm not eating anything tomorrow because I'm going out. So I'm not going to defrost anything for tomorrow because, yeah, I'm out tomorrow. But yeah, that's my freezer. And in my fridge, I do have a lot of stuff because I'm a full-time chef. So I cook. So I kept everything, whatever, you know, for my recipes. But I don't really eat anything apart from meat at the moment. And I've had this for a while. I need to throw that away. So my air fryer is done. So 9 minutes, so I've just had to actually take the meat out. So I'll put it on like this. I'm gonna transfer this into my air fry. So what usually you wanna do, you wanna preheat your air fry so it's nice and hot before adding your steak. Otherwise, it's gonna not grill it as much as you want. I'm just gonna add the steak in now, like that. And that's it, that's gonna go in for 9 minutes. A lot of you also ask me about electrolytes, so I drink these electrolytes. They are 0 sugar, 0 calories. They are full of magnesium, potassium, calcium, vitamin C, sodium, green tea. Although I have noticed the ingredients just recently because I've been taking these for a while. And it does say sweetener sucralose, so I don't know if that's good. I'm not sure it's good, but to be honest, they're still sugar-free and they work. And then at night, sometimes I take magnesium citrate. So you have to get the name which says magnesium citrate, and it has to be 400 milligrams, okay? Otherwise, the rest of them aren't as strong, and they just, you know, you don't have to get this brand. This is the actually English brand that I got, but I don't drink this every day. And I stopped drinking electrolytes every day as well. I don't know, I just feel good on meat. And I drink a lot of water. As you can see, these are the gallons that I buy. They're 10 liters. So I try and drink between 3 to 4 liters a day. Yes, it's finished. Let's check my steak. Oh, look at that. Look how crispy it's there. Now, what I recommend is also to rest it now for a few minutes. I'm gonna take it out and rest it on a plate. So here it is. It's actually a big ass steak, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely need a good knife. And yeah, so it's, what time is it? Oh, it's 1:20, so I'm gonna break my fast. I never really follow the fast anymore. I just eat when I'm hungry. So I'm gonna eat that and probably have dinner later. Actually, I forgot, I need to defrost. Look at my beautiful flowers. How gorgeous are they? Absolutely loving them. Yeah, so this is gonna be my dinner, and I just realized I need to defrost my lunch. Sorry, oh my God, my head's crazy. I mean, this is my lunch, I need to defrost dinner. So I actually crave some chicken for tonight, so I might just roast the whole chicken, to be honest. Here it is. Again, this is supposed to be grass-fed. So I'm just gonna defrost it now because, you see, like I don't have many hours, and I know this is completely frozen, didn't really prepare in advance. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna defrost this in my sink. You can take it out of the packaging as well if you're in a rush and you don't have to defrost, and put it in a bowl with cold water. I'm just gonna leave it like it is, like this. It's gonna defrost on its own because I'm in a hot country. But if you're not in a hot country, you might want to just open that up and leave it to defrost. And yeah, I'm gonna roast that later. So I'm gonna enjoy my steak. I'm in bikini, it's hot outside and I've just been tanning, so I'm a bit sweaty, but very, very excited. So I'm excited to see how this actually cooked, because last time, so I tried an air fry to cook this for I think like 12 minutes or so, and I wasn't really happy with it. It was overcooked for me. But you can see very good layer of fat and looks quite pink, so it's exactly how I like it. Oh my god, it's so good. Very, very perfect. I chew quite slowly actually. This is another thing I've realized that's changed. I eat very slowly, so like before I would eat very fast, and now I take my time. Only because it's very chewy and you wanna, well, it's not that it's very chewy, but it's like a lot to chew. And actually you should chew like all your food anyway. And so I'm trying to digest it, you know, before it actually goes into my belly. So good. So I also tried to buy supermarket quality, and I could taste the difference between the steaks. So this is grass-fed. I mean, I hope anyway, I'm in Mexico, so who knows, right? But I definitely feel the flavor is different, and it doesn't cost that much more to get organic and grass-fed versus the you know, the ones from the supermarket. What I also noticed is that when I had chicken from the supermarket, I had it for about a week because I ran out of food. I started to get bloated last week. And just to give you an update, so this is my 6th week now, and it's been going up and down, but the week 5 was actually not very good. I was bloated, I had a lot of pain, and I just don't know, like something wasn't right. And obviously I started to question like, what's going on? Like I'm week 6 on carnivore, like I'm not eating anything else apart from meat, lamb, chicken, and beef. And so it was really bizarre for me. But I'm very happy with this cut. Yeah, it looks very juicy, very juicy. And again, look at this. It was only, what, like 7-8 minutes in air fryer. If you're gonna go carnivore, and if you're looking, watching this video, you know, if you've never, you do have to have an Instant Pot, because otherwise it's just too much hassle, you know, doing everything else. Like I just find this is so easy, you know, and that what actually makes me keep going on this diet, because it's not hard. It's just super quick, you know. Quick and easy. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my steak. And I'll update you later. Okay guys, so for dinner I'm having chicken. I've just washed it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pat it dry with paper towels, and I'm preheating my air fryer because I'm gonna do it in my air fryer because I'm actually really hungry. See, this is what happens. You go from not hungry to starving, and now I'm gonna have to wait. So yeah, literally just gonna pat this down so it's not wet, and then you want to add any seasoning or spices that you like. So my air fry is nice and hot. I'm gonna now put the chicken in the basket, although I don't know if that's gonna fit in. Didn't think about that, did I? Yeah. Here is my chicken. I had to turn it around. That looks pretty good. I'm actually really hungry. I'm gonna check. So what you can do, you can pierce a knife through, and if the juices come out clear, that means it's done. So that's my dinner. I'm gonna start with this and then eat more. But yeah, looking good. So just to show you, chicken is finished. There's some breast a bit uncooked. There's still a lot of meat left, so I haven't finished it. And I'm watching Dark Desires. I don't know if anyone else watches this show. It's definitely naughty, but very good, intense. So yeah, I feel full now. I ate really late today. I don't usually eat this late, but again, you see, I'm just following my body. And because tomorrow I'm going to an event, so I thought, okay, well, I'll probably eat now so that I'm not hungry tomorrow, because I don't know where I'll be able to eat. But yeah, guys, so that's it. That's what I eat in a day.